Are you tired of mediocre coffee that lacks depth and flavor? It's time to take your coffee brewing to the next level with the Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker. In this review, we'll explore the features and benefits of this incredible coffee brewer that not only enhances your coffee experience, but also offers convenience and versatility. If you're interested in learning more about Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker with double-layer stainless steel filter, please click on the link in the description below. Double-layer stainless steel filter for flavorful coffee. One of the standout features of the Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker is its double-layer 304 stainless steel filter. This innovative design allows the fine oils from your coffee powder to infuse themselves into your brew, resulting in a richer and fuller flavor. Say goodbye to coffee ground deposits that can ruin your morning cup. Heat-resistant borosilicate glass decanter. The 34-ounce borosilicate glass decanter is not just visually appealing, it's also highly heat-resistant. You can safely heat it on the stove over a low flame, adding a unique touch to your coffee-making ritual. This feature makes the Cosori Coffee Maker versatile enough for use in various settings, including camping and hiking. Large capacity for entertaining guests. With a capacity to make 8 4-ounce cups of coffee, this coffee maker is the perfect companion when you have guests over. Impress your friends and family with a delicious and personalized coffee experience. It's an excellent addition to your home, ensuring everyone gets their caffeine fix. Effortless cleanup. Nobody wants to spend hours cleaning up after making coffee. The Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker understands this, and that's why the decanter and filter are dishwasher safe. Cleaning up is a breeze, leaving you with more time to savor your coffee. The wooden sleeve and sleeve tie are also easy to clean with just a few swipes of a cloth. Safe and Bpa-Free materials. Your health and well-being are paramount, and Cosori ensures that by using only Bpa-Free materials in their coffee maker. From measuring spoons to glass, filter, and wooden handle, all components that come into contact with your coffee are safe and toxin-free. Customize your brew to perfection. One of the most exciting aspects of the Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker is the level of control it gives you. You can personalize every aspect of the coffee making process, from adjusting the water temperature to controlling water flow and coffee ground concentration. This means you can tailor your coffee to your exact preferences, ensuring a cup that's customized just for you. What's included? Inside the Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker package, you'll find a glass decanter, a Bpa-Free measuring scoop, a 304 stainless steel filter, a solid wood sleeve, and a user manual. Everything you need to embark on your journey to coffee perfection is right at your fingertips. In summary, the Cosori Pour-Over Coffee Maker is a game changer for coffee enthusiasts. Its double-layer stainless steel filter, heat-resistant glass, large capacity, and easy cleanup make it a top-notch choice. You can trust its commitment to safety with Bpa-Free materials. But what truly sets it apart is the ability to personalize your brew to perfection. Say goodbye to mediocre coffee and elevate your coffee game with Cosori, ready to transform your coffee experience. Don't miss out on this incredible coffee maker. Upgrade your mornings, one cup at a time, and explore the world of customized coffee. Experience the Cosori difference today. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.